Hey, what's going on, guys? Announcement today. The Federal Reserve has updated everyone that they have lowered interest rates by 50 basis points or a half a point. This was very shocking. However, it totally makes sense with the data that came out. A lot of people were thinking that they're going to be a little bit more conservative and only lower interest rates by a quarter of a percent or but that just did not end up being the case. As you can see here, Jerome Powell had a press conference today. If you guys missed that, definitely go check that out. But this is the first time that they have really done any types of cuts since 2020, as you can see here below. But but yeah, it'll be interesting to see if they cut it anymore in the remaining of the year. It sounds like they may, but I haven't had a chance to check Jerome Powell's interview or press conference today, so I'm definitely going to go back and look at that and see if he kind of hinted either way at what he's planning to do there. But needless to say, there was a cut of 50 basis points today. Now let's see how the market reacted. Look at the S&P 500. So they released the data for, that they released it prior to his press conference. So it wasn't like a real-time announcement there. But it did look like, whenever they did release that right around 2 p.m. Eastern, the market shot up. It shot straight up. But ever since that, that announcement, it did sell back off. He did have a post conference. I don't know if it was 2:30 or 3 p.m. But needless to say, after that first initial release, it never really got that high again. It just it peaked and valleyed. But for the most part, it sold back off there. So with that being said, it'll be interesting to see how stocks react to interest rate cuts. Normally, it seems to be pretty bearish, but it'll be interesting to see. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Just kind of wanted to hop on here real quick and talk about that update from the Federal Reserve. They did lower interest rates by 50 basis points, or half a percentage there. So you guys, let me know what you think down below. Is this a good decision for the Federal Reserve to do this? Were you expecting 25 basis points versus the 50? Would be very interesting to hear your guys' thoughts. And let me know down below. Thanks.